Ooh. Just see where it goes, where it flows. Crusty disgusts me. This hair is so soft. Okay, so I bleached my knots and I went ahead and washed and detangled my hair. And then you can see here the kinky edges. All right, I'm going to start off by adding a little bit of makeup to the lace. These curls are gorgeous, so gorgeous. Ooh, and the lace is stretchy. This is going to be a good install, I can tell. Cute packaging. See what's in here. Some lashes. Oh, these cute. Some nails. Comb. Oh, that's a really cute little set. And I actually needed one of these. That is so crazy that they sent me this. What? And they also sent some hot comb. This is crazy. It even have like a shield on it. Like the hot comb shield. Oh, wow. And this is a bonnet. That's really cute. They got me right. Here's the hairline, kinky edges. See, they're already been cut out for you. And it's a full frontal. And I do have to bleach my knots, so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach my knots and wash the wig really quick. All right, okay, so I'm gonna start off by using my lovely hot combs they sent me and just press the hair back. I'm not worried about the curls because we get them to curl back up. But right now, I just wanna move them out of the way. And for this install, I'm going to be using my holding spray. So I'm going to do it in sections. And I'm going to melt the middle section down first. Because this wig is a little large and I don't want it to like give me that ripple effect. So do this part first and then I can stretch it down. So this wig will be perfect if you got a big head. Same thing over here. Okay, so I have all three sides down. This is just like a rough draft. Now, I'm going to go through and cut off the lace. Alright, so now I'm going to pull out the baby hair. So that way I can go back and add holding spray right here in the middle. Okay, step by step. Now I'm at the holding spray right here. Be careful because this stuff will make your hair hard. So I'm trying to only get it on the lace. And this time I'll use my melt band they sent me. At this point, just trust the process. Trust the process. Okay, Scalpiana. And cut my side tabs. Got a little crusty. Crusty disgusts me. Okay, so now I'm going to continue the same process for the rest of the hairline. I do not want it on the baby hair. Okay, this time put it underneath. You see that fast? So cute. Alright, wig down and secure. This hair is so soft. Okay, so the install is basically done. Now I'm going to go back through and curl up my edges so you can get a full effect of how this hair looks before I put it in the style. Yeah, so I'm using my Erica J Fluff Stuff styling foam. See they curling back up. I add a little bit of this detangler spray. Just do this little number here. You know, just trying to fluff them out. I'm not trying to like swoop it or do any like intentional baby hair. Just see where it goes, where it flows. I like that. Okay, the wig is wigging, the edges are edging. It looks so good. Take me to the beach. Look like I'm going to Bahamas, baby. Alright, so I want to show you guys how it look with it all down. Okay, let me take some pictures really quick and then we're gonna come back and do a cute sleek style. Okay, my pictures came out so lovely. Now I'm gonna sleek this bad boy back. Okay, so this is how much I have out. And usually I would like straighten this and hot comb it real flat, but I'm just gonna leave it kind of wavy like this. Actually, I'm gonna spray some detangling spray to get the curls to kind of pop back through. Ooh. But some edges forward, some back. Just trying to bring it into the ponytail some. Forward. Cute if you pull it up too. Alright, so I am all done. This is so cute. It looks so good and so elegant. And you want to be a little spicy, a little Puerto Rican princess, you pull that bad boy to the front. So you see I gave you guys two different ways you can wear this hair: down, pull over, or pull back up off of your face. Just in case you decide to wear this when you go on vacation, baby, you have options. And not to mention that this is a full frontal in the front. And if you get dunked in the water, everything's going to curl back up. Everything. Alright, so that's all for this look. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this one. Click the link and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys.